Hello guys, welcome to the club. I'm really excited to share you the first workshop which is going to be conducted under the club. In this workshop, we're going to learn how to develop cross-platform mobile applications using Flutter as a toolkit. So what I mean by that is we are going to develop mobile apps which can be deployed over both iOS and Android respectively. So using the same code base. Yeah, before even I continue with explaining more technicalities about the workshop, I would like to thank each and everyone who have been supporting the club and actively participating in the club. Thank you so much, guys. And yeah, getting back to the workshop details. So, what exactly is Flutter? I would like to give a small intro about Flutter so that you know what exactly you're going to work with. Flutter is a framework. It is an open source framework made by Google and it is now currently open source, so available for everybody. And using this particular framework, we can develop applications which can be deployed over both Android and iOS. So this Flutter has been trending in the past 2 years. It is having a high market value and more stuff. So more will be told when we are doing stuff in the workshop. So yeah, what are the prerequisites for this particular workshop? Guys, if you are comfortable in any one programming language, it's fine, and it's preferred to have object oriented programming because Flutter is a library, but Flutter is using a language called as Dart. Dart is also a language which is developed by Google, and we will be going through Dart first, and then we'll be entering the Flutter framework. But still, you'll be very comfortable if you know how to, program. Like what I mean by that is, dude, you need to be, comfortable in programming. That's all. Nothing else, nothing more is required in prerequisites. So we'll be teaching all these topics in Dart. There are many topics still left out, but these are the topics which will be helpful for Flutter. So Dart language is taught in such a way that only important topics are taught which are useful for Flutter. So enough talk. Now let me show you guys what we are going to actually build after the workshop. So yeah, here is my emulator, and this is my favorite IDE where I code. So yeah, everything will be from setup till coding, everything will be taught. So yeah, now we will be making this small application. This is really not having any real life aspect as such because this we designed this application in such a way that while building this application, all the fundamental concepts will be cleared. So in this app, this is my portfolio, or this is my kind of a business card. So if I tap on this particular code thing, a QR code will be generated, and if some other device scans this QR code, my contact will be shared to that device. And other stuff is, if I click on the phone card, it will take to the dial pad. It is taking some while because it is emulator. Yeah, you see there. Now
Yeah, back to my device, guys. This is my physical device, and I've installed the APK which we are going to build, and this is the app. So as soon as I open my DP, which is being retrieved from GitHub, and then my name, my description, and there is a small code symbol here. If the symbol, if I click on it, a QR code is generated, and if anybody scans this QR code, my contact is shared to that device. So if I click on the mobile phone card, it takes to the dial pad. If I click on the email card, it takes to the email. And all these things you see here, the email ID to whom it's sending, and the CC, and also the body, everything is written in the code. So this is it, guy. This is the simple app which you're going to do.
So that's it, guys. This is what we will be building by the end of the workshop. I hope you're interested and excited. See you there.